Hi guys, welcome to TechFilm channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add picture to Zoom. So, go to Zoom first and log into your Zoom with ID and password. After login, you have to go here settings. Then you'll find here profile. Okay, now click on edit my profile. It is opening. Hold on. It will be open in window from web browser. So you can cross this and you have to write here ID and password and login, sign in. So after sign in, what you're gonna do is you can see here your profile, this one. Click on this pencil icon and you can change it here. Just click on change and choose any picture from your computer what you wanna add here. So after adding your picture, just click on save and your picture will be saved here. I have already my picture, that's why it's not taking the same picture. Okay, if you click on save, your picture will be saved like your profile picture or any picture. So guys, this is how you can change your picture on Zoom or add any picture on Zoom. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.